Guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a 2016 inspired makeup look. On TikTok and all over social media, 2016 makeup is trending right now. I think because it's been like a decade, because it's 2026, you know what I mean? It's been a decade since 2016, so that kind of makeup is just like trending right now, and I thought it would be a good time to do a 2016 inspired makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I think this is so funny. I don't know why I think it's so funny, but what better palette to use for a 2016 makeup look than the Modern Renaissance palette. I still have mine. It's definitely hit pan on like mostly all of the shades especially the ones that everybody used to use back in the day, like red ochre, burnt orange is like completely gone. But this is the palette that we're going to be using today, and of course we're going to be doing like a half cut crease because, you know, in 2016 that was all the rage. So first we're just going to prime my eyes with some concealer. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I think I said that already, but I don't even know if these are giving 2016 brows. I just kind of did it how I usually do my brows, except a little bit darker, and I like made the fronts more like blendy, if that makes sense. I don't know how to do 2016 brows. I never did, and honestly I kind of do my makeup 2016-ish besides the very glowy like heavy highlight, which we're going to be doing in the no blush. Use blush now, but back in 2016 nobody used blush, so that's gonna be interesting with today's look, that there's gonna be no blush. I'm just gonna set that concealer with some pressed powder. First things first, we're gonna take the BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, and we're gonna take golden ochre, and we're gonna put that into our crease. And now on that same brush, we're going to take raw sienna, and we're just going to blend that into our crease as well. I think it's so funny because 2016 is kind of when I really started like getting into makeup. I bought my first ever like high-end makeup like palette, which was this ABH glow kit in Sun Dipped. Y'all know these were like so popular back in the day. This was the first ever high-end makeup product that I bought, so like that's so sentimental to me because like I will keep that forever. Okay, and now on a M330 brush, we're gonna take red ochre and put that on our outer corner and also into our crease lower than where we put those previous shades. And on that same brush, we're going to take Real Gar, and we're just going to put that in the same spot, like in our crease, but under those previous shades and on our outer corner. Now again, on that same brush, we're going to take some Venetian red and do the exact same thing, outer corner and into the crease. I forgot how good this palette is. Like, it's actually really, really amazing. It blends nice and smoothly. The colors all like go together in a nice color palette. Like, it just, they really did their thing with this. And now on a Morphe M331 brush, we're gonna take Cypress Umber, which is like a dark brown shade, and put that on our outer corner and blend it halfway into our crease. Now we're gonna take the ABH cream contour kit in the shade Daphne, I think that's how it is, and it just has a bunch of like cream contours, but we're going to take the lightest shade in the palette and cut our crease with that. I'm just using the M301 brush to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take that pressed powder again on a big flat brush and just set the cut crease with that. And now I'm going to take red ochre again on a M330 brush and just blend out the outer corner of the cut crease. Now we're gonna do a wing eyeliner because that was a 2016 staple as well. I think it's so funny because this actually doesn't even look that different from my like usual makeup looks. Like I said, I think I stayed in 2016 when it comes to makeup. I just love like colorful makeup, half cut creases, like bold lips and all that good stuff. Actually, bold lips is something that I never got into that much because I don't want to draw focus on my lips. Because I'm actually really insecure about my lips. I mean, that's not funny, but gotta laugh to cover up the pain. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. Before we do foundation, I'm gonna put on some ABH liquid glow, which is like this, and I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna do little squigglies all over my face because that's what the girlies used to do back in 2016. I was never full face of liquid glow type of girl, but I know it was very popular back in 2016. Oh my god, this is definitely gonna make me break out. I think I put way too much. I put way too much. Okay. And now for foundation, this is my go-to foundation. Even back in 2016, this was the foundation that I loved, which is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 335. So I'm just going to take that. I'm going to take a flat brush and dip it into the foundation. I like to do the top half of my face first. I really sponge. Now we're gonna do bronzing, so I'm just gonna take this ABH cream foundation stick in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna create like a 3 because like I said before, that's what the girlies did back in the day. I'm also just gonna take some down my nose and under my lip. So now let's blend this out. Now for concealer, we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer and pop that under our eyes. Also going to do it on our nose, our forehead, our cupid's bow, our chin. And then something that I never do is I'm going to pop it under like my contour. And now because baking was pretty big back in 2016, I'm going to take the Midnight translucent powder in the shade Fair. And I'm basically just going to bake with that. Now I'm just going to take this foundation brush and just lightly tap in all the powder. And then for bronzing, we're going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade 375 on a M165 brush. So now I'm gonna take that liquid glow again and just put a little bit dotted like where I would put highlighter. I want to be super glowy because that was like the thing. I keep saying everything was the thing back in 2016, but glowiness was really the thing back in 2016. So now, like I said, this is something that's near and dear to my heart because this was the first ever high-end makeup product that I bought, which is the ABH Glow Kit in the shade Sun Dip. So we're just gonna take tourmaline and bronzed, mix those together, and actually a little bit of Summer, and just put that on my cheekbones. I'm also gonna put some on my nose or cupid's bow. I'm also gonna put some under my brow bone. So for under eyes, we're just going to take the ABH palette again. I'm going to take the M412 brush and we're going to take red ochre and pop that under our eye. Also going to take Cypress Umber and put that on the outer corner of our eye. Also going to take that Glow Kit again and take Summer and just pop that on the inner corner of our eye. So I have this box full of Dyjere Place lip liners and lipsticks that I got for Christmas that I'm so excited about. So I'm just gonna choose one. I think I'm gonna do Coffee Bean to line my lips with. And then I'm gonna take Dyjere Place lipstick in the shade Muted and put that in the middle of our lips. So now I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished 2016 makeup look. Okay guys, so this is the finished 2016 inspired makeup look. I think it's like spot on, to be honest. I didn't think it would look that much different from like my regular makeup, but it actually does. I think it's the highlighter that I literally like never do anymore, especially like on the nose. Like my nose is like blinding you guys, like it's so like highlighted. But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers and I would love to have you as part of my little YouTube family. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. And yeah, let me know what your favorite part of the 2016 makeup trend is. Like if it's like eyebrows, highlighter, no blush, all that good stuff, like coming back. What was your favorite part of 2016 makeup? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.